Now, a couple of things to note from last week's FPL clinic is the fact that City, everybody's high flyers who was giving Arsenal a chase for their money, actually dropped 2 valuable points away at the Hill Dickinson Stadium. Chelsea also continued their series of losses on the same day that City pulled that particular stunt. Yes, Chelsea have now lost 6 games straight in the EPL. Yeah, while scoring just a goal. Now, Doku proved very vital when he was needed the most in that Everton game and pulled up a lot of stops for his team. Bruno Fernandes also came through and did the magic for his team, and they actually beat Liverpool in that one. Now, there are some fixtures that you should target this week. And note that this week is a double game week. So double game week for a couple of teams. Those teams include Man City. So targeting City fixtures. And by the end of this week, City would have played one of its outstanding fixtures, I should say. So its outstanding fixture against Crystal Palace will be played in midweek. So they play Brentford and Crystal Palace. So you can actually put in City players. And also, let me just quickly get into player recommendations. So Lecroix, who is a defender for Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace are through to the Conference League finals. Congratulations to them. So Lecroix is one person you can consider to bring into your team. Looking at the cost and looking at the kind of teams he has to play, he's the safest bet going into the rest of the season. Now, very interestingly, one player has fallen off at the most important time, and his name is Igor Thiago. And yes, if you have him, you should possibly consider selling him. Consider selling him. Reason being, he has got very difficult games coming through. Those games have very questionable defenders from the stronger team, but still very difficult for Igor Thiago, especially seeing how he performed against Manchester United. Now, note that transferring a Crystal Palace player or making makes too much sense in this case because they have fixtures twice this week. Crystal Palace have 2 fixtures before the next game week. Manchester City also have same. Now, looking at the captaincy here, every time we mention one name, with Salah out, certainly Bruno Fernandes or the man, Erling Braut Haaland. Also, one very interesting player you should consider is Nico O'Reilly if you want to bring him in. Now, differentials for the week include Jeremy Doku, Noah Okafor, and the man, Ismail Assar, after his heroics. He seems to also be getting into his groove after the whole sequence. He's scoring a lot of goals in the Conference League. So, yes, that's as far as that is concerned with your FPL clinic. And if you have been following the tips, you know you are always in the greens and way above the average each and every time.